Welcome to my channel where we explore the 9 levels of wealth and what it truly means to achieve financial success. Level 1, the basics. It's all about budgeting, saving, and investing wisely. Without a strong foundation, the rest is impossible. Level 2, passive income. Diversifying your income streams is key to building long-term wealth. Let your money work for you. Level 3, networking. Surround yourself with like-minded individuals who inspire and challenge you to reach new heights. If you are new to the channel, then click on subscribe button and hit the notification bell for regular updates. Level 4, giving back. True wealth is not just about what you have, but what you give. Make a positive impact on those around you. Level 5, global perspective. Expand your horizons and embrace diversity. Learn from the world and let it shape your mindset. Level 6, passion projects. Pursue your dreams relentlessly, even if it means taking risks. True wealth is doing what you love. Level 7, mindfulness. Take time to reflect, recharge, and appreciate the present moment. Inner peace is a priceless treasure. Level 8, mentorship. Help others succeed and pay it forward. The greatest wealth is in empowering others to achieve greatness. Level 9, legacy. Leave a lasting impact that transcends generations. True wealth is not just for you, but for the world. Join me on this journey to discover the 9 levels of wealth and unleash your full financial potential. Together, we can achieve greatness.